Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at variables and expressions from section 1-1. This is really where we start getting into real algebra. Today our learning targets are, first, I can write verbal expressions for algebraic expressions, and secondly, I can go the other direction and I can write algebraic expressions for verbal expressions. So basically what we're doing in case 1, we're turning numbers into words, and in case 2, we're turning words into numbers. They mean the same thing, they just do it in a little different way. So first, when we're writing a verbal expression in place of an algebraic expression. So in this case, we have a couple of algebraic expressions to use as examples. So in number 1, we want to turn 3x plus 5 into words. So we can say this a lot of different ways, really. We could say it's 5 more than 3 times a number, or we could say it's 3 times a number plus 5. So in this case, I chose to use 3 times the number plus 5. Again, we could certainly say it another way. But what we're getting at is that this number sentence on the left is equivalent to this word sentence on the right. They both say the same thing. In this next one, 2x minus 7, what this is going to say is something along the lines of 7 less than 2 times a number. Because we have 2 times a number to begin with and we're taking 7 away from that, so we have 7 less than 2 times a number. Okay, so now again, these two statements are equivalent, just that this one is using basically numbers and this one is using basically words, but they mean exactly the same thing. Okay, now let's go the other direction with this and let's look at an algebraic expression in place of this word sentence. So let's look at this first one first. 35 less than 3 times the difference of a number x and 7. So it's a lot of words there really, but we can simplify it into something that's pretty short with the number sentence. So let's look at this. 3 times the difference of a number x and 7. That can be written like this. The difference means we got to subtract something, so we're subtracting the difference between x and 7, so that's x minus 7, and we're taking 3 times that difference. This whole part here can be summed up in just this little part right here. And then we have 35 less than that, so we're going to subtract 35. So this whole thing can be reduced to this right here. In the next one, we have 17 more than the sum of a number x and 7 squared. So the sum of a number x and 7 squared means we're going to add x and 7 together. We're going to square that sum. And it says 17 more than that, so we're going to add 17 to that as well. So again, this short number sentence can replace all of these words in this case. So that's just a quick look at variables and expressions, again, turning words into numbers and numbers into words, and I look forward to answering any questions you have. And I very much appreciate you listening to this, and we'll see you very soon. Take care and have a very good day.